Welcome to Drax's digital drawings. It's a beautiful day in the village. The sun is shining, the birds are tweeting, and Drax the dragon is feeling creative. He zooms in to try to fix it, but it just makes a bigger scribble mark. Drax feels frustrated. Maybe this isn't such a good idea. Just then, Flipp the fox walks by. She stops to see what Drax is doing and offers to help. Flipp shows Drax how she draws with bigger strokes. You don't have to press so hard, she says, and you can always erase and start over. So much so that he wants to draw a picture of a mighty mountain, a tall, jagged peak with lots of pointy bits. He stops to take a look and has an idea. The lines weren't perfect, but it didn't really matter because Drax had found his style. And that's the most important thing when it comes to art. Why don't you draw a simple shape like a triangle for the mountain, he asks. Then you can fill it in with more colors and details. That's a great idea, Ollie. Thank you. But there's one problem. See, Drax is a dragon. His paws are big and his claws are sharp, and this doesn't really help when you're trying to draw on a little screen. They were bold and a little wobbly, just like him. And that's what made them so wonderful. Everyone can be creative in their own unique way. Even dragons. Oh, and another thing, he's never used a drawing tablet before. At first, all he does is make little scribble marks. While Flipp is helping Drax with his drawing, Ollie the owl flies by. And so with the help of his friends, Drax drew a magnificent mountain. It took a few tries, but eventually he got it just right. Flipp and Ollie both had different styles. Flipp's drawings were neat and colorful, while Ollie's were detailed and precise. But Drax's were, well, his. So remember, it's okay to make mistakes when you're learning something new. And don't be afraid to ask for help. The end.